In this lesson, we'll take a quick look at connecting GitHub to Netlify, which will then end up deploying our app. I've pushed my code to a GitHub repo, and there is a file that I want to look at before we connect the two. You'll remember when we added the Netlify plugin to Vue, it generated this netlify.toml file, and these three commands would be responsible for what Netlify does when it receives our code. So this first one here for a command, this is what will run, essentially, when our code gets deployed to Netlify. So in this case, I'm running npm run build. You can use yarn if that's what you want to use. And that will generate a dist folder here, which is assigned to publish. So this is what Netlify will essentially publish then to their servers. And finally, we have this functions option. And this is where our feeds function is stored. So once you sign up for Netlify, you'll see a screen like this. I already have my project deployed, but I'll just step through what you'll be doing. So you'll see this new site from Git, and under the continuous deployment section, you'll have a choice of GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. The process for all these will be the same. And when you select one, it'll present you a list of your repositories. You pick the one that you want, and then you'll get an overview screen. From here, you'll see a list of all the deployments that have ever happened, and it'll live update whenever you make any changes to your repository. You're given a link here, which I hope you'll share, as it'd be great to see what you've made, and maybe any tweaks you've made, perhaps to the styling or any new little bits of functionality that you might add. And you can see from this link, my one is live here. In the meantime, I've made my own few tweaks for some of the styles, so you can see what was selected. And I've added in a couple of other feeds then as well. In the next video, we'll do a recap of what we built.